If you try this juice that treats diabetes, gastritis, and hypertension, you can achieve excellent results in managing these conditions. This juice is made from a magical and powerful medicinal ingredient that has been used for centuries to treat various diseases. Over time, however, it has been overshadowed by the rise of laboratory-produced drugs, which often lead to dependency on those who use them. The ingredient at the heart of this juice is the humble sweet potato, an underestimated superfood that offers significant health benefits. Sweet potato juice has shown promising results in managing diabetes, gastritis, and hypertension when consumed correctly. This discovery was made by a group of Cuban doctors who uncovered the best-kept secret of the sweet potato. To maximize its benefits, it is recommended to consume the juice an hour before a meal. This timing allows the body to absorb the juice's nutrients more effectively, enhancing its medicinal properties. Preparing this juice is simple and requires only a few natural ingredients: parsley to taste, 10 sweet potatoes, 1 red pepper, 1 apple, and 1 small beet. Blend these ingredients together until smooth to create a nutritious and healing drink. Incorporating this juice into your daily routine can significantly impact your overall health. Sweet potatoes are particularly notable for their ability to improve brain function, relieve kidney stone problems, and maintain a healthy bowel. Additionally, they aid in weight loss due to their fast-absorbing carbohydrates, potentially relieve stress, and help reduce inflammation in the body. These benefits make sweet potato juice an excellent choice for those seeking a natural remedy to support their health. It's time to rediscover the sweet potato's incredible properties and incorporate this juice into your diet. By doing so, you can experience noticeable improvements in your health and well-being. Start today and enjoy the powerful benefits of this natural and effective remedy.